Apple Charlotte. For this cake we need 3 apples, 4 eggs, vanilla, nuts, marmalade, blueberry, pitted cherries, ground crackers, powdered sugar, bitter cacao, white sugar, and flour. Peel and cut apples. Crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Add 1 glass of white sugar, vanilla, and 1 glass of the flour. Beat with the mixer. Turn on the oven to 200 degrees. Add oil to a baking dish. Pour ground crackers, add apples, blueberries, nuts, pour in half of the dough, pitted cherries, marmalade, pour in the rest of the dough. Put in the oven for 40 minutes. Remove from oven. Place on a serving dish. Sprinkle with powdered sugar. And bitter cacao. Enjoy! Bon appétit!